Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, let's take a look into US market. See any of the stocks. Let me change my display first. Right, just one chart. 10:30, 9:30. Okay, market is started here. This is 5-minute chart. I want to look at the 1-minute charts. Most of it is, especially Tesla, is actually open at 1.9 over percent. Oh, most of it open higher, but is closing down lower, except for ExxonMobil, that is up. But it's still too early to say. We just need to wait for it to form any of the price movement. It shows the sign that they want to mark it up higher. So 1 minute have passed. Let's go through all of these stocks over here and see any of them are showing sign of marking up higher. So far Apple is on the way down. The one that we have here is mainly the banking stock, which it's JP Morgan. So usually we look into 4,000 lots. All right, so left a few more seconds to the closing. All right, entry for JP Morgan. Did I get it? Did I get it? Yes, I got it at 130.40. Okay, so price is closed higher than the previous candlestick. That is what we look into it, and then I'll be looking at the buy sell queue over here. So the buy sell queue and see whether they will keep on marking up higher from the buy side. As long as they are marking up higher from the buy side, means that they still have the intention to mark it up higher. So far the highest point right now is at 58 cents, 58 cents. And if let's say there is any changes like a sudden fall for 10 ticks or 10 cents, then that is the point that we have to get out. That's it. All right. So last week our transaction was really good. 12, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, three stocks, and then all of it are making profit. So let's see what happened here to this week here for today. So we have volume is higher than the previous one, and the price is marked up higher. Usually this is showing some sign of a price retrace, but the buy sell queue, the order books over here is actually setting higher price. The highest point is 72 cents. Right now is 61 cents. Let me check. Okay, everything is all right. So with a sudden fall in the price, and we just have to get ready for an exit. 5 2 4 2 4 3 4 7 so I think it should be the end of it. 5 1. Okay, let's get out first. All right, grab the profit. So the profit we have is about 14 cents. 14 cents should be about like 400 or $500. So most of it are tracing down except for JP Morgan. I think mainly the tech stocks are the one that is tracing downwards. Is expected in a sense, because they have been tracing at the high side where everyone is expecting that the stock is good and looking too far away to the futures. So right now the market is more towards like get back to the reality right now. Okay, don't just look into the future so much. Okay, so get back into the reality, look back into the business. How is the business model? Are they making profit and kind of things? is happening right now. So yeah, let's see. Right, for any one of you, if let's say you have any questions, you can or you like to comment something, you can always comment it in the comment section, comment box. So Moomoo, you can see JP Morgan right now is down to 130 and 29. If we didn't exit at about 554 just now, then we'll be losing a lot. But right now the price is down with a high volume here. It's basically showing a sign of a bottom. So we just need to wait for the entry rules. The price is closed higher than the previous one, then we can start to look back into these stocks. Okay. Just need to wait and see. It's okay if let's say the price move up higher after the 1 minute. This one is JP Morgan, so I'm gonna look back into JP Morgan first, set the entry, everything, so that whenever it's ready for an entry, we can get in quick. So 3 more seconds to closing. All right, so move in. How much did we got it? Okay, we got it at 130.84. So 84 is the buy side here. 84. Eight three, 85, 87, the highest point. 8891 is the highest point. 95 is the highest point for the buy side. So let's see whether they will 96, 97 highest point. 97, 98. Usually this kind of price movement like this with a very high volume after a price up like this, they will try to either they move up gradually or they will just move a little bit more sideways. Not that much of high volume is created before they have another round of high volume comes in that sets in for the reversal. One four, 16, 19. 19 is the highest. 21, 22, 24 is the highest. At this one here, 24. Let's see. Two, 4. Now it's 20 cents. 131.20. So have a little bit of pause of moving up or down. 24. All right, it moves up to 24. You can see the candlestick is relatively shorter right after this kind of high volume that it comes in. So they just move up bit by bit. But when the next high volume, not as high, might not be as high as this one, but the volume is higher than the previous candlestick, is usually signaling that is a pause of price up. Either it might not be a price down, but it could be a price sideways. Okay, so right now it's tracing back down, and we do have the volume is starting to be higher than the previous candlestick right now. So let's see, 2.6 is still climbing up higher. In that case, we'll just continue to watch this. To 3.2 right now, the highest point. 2.2, 3.2 to 2.2. Okay, it's a confirmation. So let's get up. So our entry was we are making about like 29 cents, right? For JP Morgan again for the second entry, 1384, and then exit at 13113. So about like 29 cents here. So okay, price is down. Time to look for another one. So you can see the difference, like the morning time when I'm watching the stock market for Malaysia, the KLSE, and comparing to the US market, you can see there are a lot more opportunities for you to look into it. Like after you end into this one, then a few minutes later, then you can look into the others. But of course, provided that you know how to find these kind of stocks are showing up such a high volume. Okay, we might have a continuation of price upwards, but it's okay. I always like to wait for a price retrace first. I'm more confident with that, so I'm not going to bet into it. So let's see. The profit that we have made today is about 2,000 over dollars after deducting all the brokerage fees. So let me check. Even though this is like a paper trading, but it's like I say, I'm trying it out to test my way. So this is about like 560 of profits. Second time our entry is making about 1,100 plus. So that should be about 1,006 here today. Okay, so not bad. So we just need to be more consistent for the trades. So not to simply enter into any trades that we think that it will move up higher. So it's never what we think in the stock market. It is always what the big boys and the stocks thinks. All right. So I think I'll just call it off here today. So 2 trades are good enough. I'll just continue to monitor this and see. So far, good news is that we are in the profit zone right now. So it's not so much of we are constantly making profit from the previous few testing trades. So I'll try to summarize what we have traded. I'll continue to test it out first, a few more trades, then only we decide whether to continue on. Then Singapore side also are trying it out to test it. So far it's good. This is a 1 month net profit. Okay, don't look into the value, because the value we are using like 1 million paper money, so you won't be having that 1 million paper money. I'm not saying that you won't be having, but I'm saying that right now I won't be having like that 1 million Sing dollar in my account. Okay, for looking into any of the market that I have not tried before. So 1.43% per month, which is actually quite good. And I didn't do much of the trades. Of course, there are cut loss also. It could be higher. So right now, overall is fine. Just 2 weeks after our US market portfolio is turned into positive, so it's good. We can continue to monitor this and watch how it goes. All right. Okay, so that's about it here today. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you guys again next week. If you have any questions when you're watching this as a recordings, always fill in your comments in the comment section. Okay, so if let's say you want to open a trading account for the Moomoo trades, there's a unique link in my description box. You can click into it, and then for the account opening. All right, so make sure you read through everything. If it's suitable for you, then you go ahead with it. All right, so thank you very much, and remember to subscribe and like and follow our Facebook page and YouTube channel. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Round and search. True traders react to the market.